Concealed beneath the apron of this garment is a camera. You will notice that the left arm is false. This leaves your left hand free to operate the apparatus under the apron.
What am I supposed to operate?
Feel around and you will find a little nub. Have you got it?
I think so, yeah.
Pull it.
Rene, with this, you will be able to save the world.
I am speechless. Do you seriously expect me to go and stand in front of all those generals with my hand on my hip doing this?
You must choose your moment. Your wife and your waitresses will be there. Your wife will put into her mouth this pill. Then she will fall to the floor.
I am not committing suicide just so we can photograph the plans of the invasion.
It is merely to make you foam at the mouth. Once on the floor, you will pretend to have a fit. This will cause a distraction. When the eyes of the generals are diverted, you, René, will take the photograph.
This whole idea is absurd. Just look at this hand.
It is very realistic.
But it does not move.
Why is it you always knock the efforts of the resistance, huh? This was made by the best rubber hand maker in Paris. It was smuggled under the skirt of a nun who cycled all the way here. At great personal inconvenience.
It would not fool a 3-year-old.
Go into your cafe, walk about. If anyone notices it is not real, then I will cancel the whole operation.
Done. Good morning, Colonel.
Good morning, René. Coffee, please.
Do you notice anything different about me, Colonel?
Yes. Getting thin on top.
Thank you, Colonel.
What did she tell you?
Nobody noticed anything.
Here is the test.
What do you mean?
Lieutenant Gruber. The one who fancies you. He notices everything.
Good morning, Lieutenant.
Good morning, René.